Hi kids, so today we are learning something very important, that is to build a sentence. Okay, can you see what is here? Can you tell me which letter is this? It's a letter B. Good. And this is letter O and this is letter W. In English alphabets we have 26 letters. By the various combination of these letters means when different letters come together, they make a word. For example, the letter B, when become friends with letter O and W, we get a word that is bow. This is a bow. So let us combine to make a word. These are separate letters B-O-W and this is a word. Letter makes words. This is a bow. Similarly, when different words come together, they make a sentence. For example, we have this is a bow. Now this is a complete sentence. This is a bow. So this is a sentence. It's a singular. Whenever we are talking about any singular thing, we use this is. This is. This is used for all singular objects. For example, can you tell me, is it one dress or more than one dress? Yes, this is only one dress. That is why we use this. We use this is with only singular object. So we will use this. Now repeat after me. This is a dress. Very good. You guys are doing very great. We use these are. We use these are. These are, what are these? Cars with an S. We know that we make a plural with adding the S. We know this song that plural means more than one. Plural means more than one. Add an S and you were. Yes, there are many Smurfs. So it's a plural object. So we will use these are Smurfs. We will use these are Smurfs. So whenever there is a plural object, we use these are. And when we have only one object, for example, what is this? A plane. So we use, what do we use? This is a plane. A full stop. First letter is capital and at the end of the sentence we put full stop. So whenever there are a plural object, more than one, we use these are. And whenever there is only one singular object, we use this is. You guys are super intelligent and do the concept and you will keep practicing this is and these are sentences at home. These are, this is. Keep practicing. I will join you in another video. Bye.